Okay, so I'm at a national park. I am about 35 minutes outside of, well, I'm still in Joburg, but 35 minutes outside of CBD. Really beautiful area out here, really nice greens, vegetation. And just gonna walk around this for a little bit before I head back. And we'll let you know, let you see what I see. So, let's see, where do we start? Oh, this is big. Trail end, okay. So I'm not gonna walk this complete trail. I didn't even know what this was here. And this is called Rietfontein National Trail, National Reserve, I think. So if you can see the name of it, Rietfontein. They have hiking trails, picnic area, visitors parking. Here's bathrooms and stuff back here. This is really nice. So one thing about South Africa that I learned, they have a lot of different types of aloe plants. What is this here? Some kind of house. Don't think this is it. I'm gonna go around to the other trail part and just walk up that. But just to give you a clue, really beautiful area. I'm not gonna be here long because it does look like it's gonna rain again today. So I will say this: if you come to Johannesburg, at least, they don't get summertime here, man. It goes from winter to spring, and it's just rain all the time during spring. I think so far I maybe had 2 hot days here, maybe 3. So I definitely will be going to a different African country, or at least a different city. I do want to experience summertime, that real hot African heat. So it says trail in, but I'm gonna just walk up here for a little, just to give you a little bit of how the trail looks. Now, one thing I like about the trails here so far that I've hiked, you don't have to worry about wildlife. I hear you, but I don't see. trail goes there. There's the house over there. Man, the wind feels really amazing. It's a nice, cool breeze while walking this. Now, I've yet to see any snakes in Joburg. I think it might be too cold here. So there's no snakes I've seen on any trail so far that I've hiked. See if I can get a good shot of this. Just show you how beautiful this place is. Hopefully you can see just a little bit of what I see. It's really nice. If you're a nature person, you will love South Africa because they have some of the most beautiful trails here. Really nice. Just to give you a clue. How you doing? All right, let's continue on with the walk. And probably after this, I might go to the vegan chef, get a bite to eat, and head home. Well, actually, no, I might not head home because I think we got load shedding for 4 hours this evening, so I don't know if I'm gonna sit that out or just go somewhere and wait. There's a huge ant pile, I think. Maybe a termite hill. I don't know. If you know, let me know. Oh, you know, I need to go by the mall today. I'll go big one. really see it with the camera, but it looked like there's little places they probably built together for maybe some kind of the wildlife that may be around here. I think people say like sometimes you can see a zebra or gazelle in some of the nature reserves. I've yet to see anything yet. But you don't have to worry about like lions and stuff like that. Oh, wait, we got something right over here. Yeah, there's a deer or something back over here. Hopefully you can see it. He's looking at me. He's right over there. There you go. Okay. So I've now seen my first wildlife animal here. So now if you can see this bird here, like I don't know if the colors are coming up on the screen, but he has a beautiful texture and color to his wings, his feathers. They look like silk almost. And it's like a bluish green color, depending on how the light hits him. And this nature reserve here is literally right next to a community where people live. So it's like a really nice looking apartment homes over here. And I think this is close to Rietfontein. If you saw my video on Clearwater Mall, so I think it's close to there. I saw a sign that said Rietfontein. So this is like it's more for the cars. Let me just stay on the main trail. And actually I'm about to head back because I need to go to Benmore Mall and pick up some stuff. If you're visiting Johannesburg, the mall's closed super early here, so if you have to get stuff, you need to be there before 5 p.m. Okay, so they have outdoor classrooms. I might have to come check this out again. I'll probably come like early 6 or 7 one morning and just hike the whole thing. And just to give you a pro tip, if you're coming here to visit and you're using Uber like I do, I recommend doing the Uber Cash, because the system here don't always work well, and you don't want your car to be tied up waiting for the system to go through for someone to cancel the ride. boat just because the one time I used them, the license plate and even the guy who was driving didn't match. So I don't like stuff like that. And with Uber, who's ever registered to the car must be the one driving it. So just another way to be safer. So here's the entrance and exit right here. We have cars. People working the area was real nice. Just let me right in. You don't have to pay to come in here. There's only been one hiking trail I had to pay for to get into, and I think it was like 10 Rand. So we're not even talking about $1 US. And here we go. We're about to hit the street. Thanks, brother. And then see, this shows you. Let me see if I get the name of it. So this shows you the name of it. It's called Rietfontein Ridge Nature Reserve. So really nice. Just gives you an outside. It's a gated reserve. Just shows you how it looks. Really beautiful. And then these are the apartments I was telling you. It's a residential area all through here. Looks like a real quiet suburb. Apartments look nice. I don't know if they deal with load shedding here. I'm imagining they do since it's in most of the country. But this definitely looks like a nice place for if you're a family, wife, if you have a spouse and kids. A lot more quieter than where I'm at in the city. So like this shows you, Joburg has a lot of stuff to offer. Everything's not just CBD. Everything's not hustle and bustle. They have some very quiet areas out here. And so that's going to be it for this. And I'll see you another day.